Hi, my name is Hannah, your favorite perfectly imperfect scribble artist, and today I have a Q&A video answering all of your questions that you've asked on TikTok and Instagram. And if you haven't followed me on TikTok and Instagram, here they are listed. You can go check them out there, and let's get started with the video. Biggest dream or goal you have as an artist? I have a lot. I have a lot of big dreams and goals. I really have a dream to be in like a huge gallery and it all be my scribble ladies and like people I've painted from all over the world on these like giant canvases and to be like one big, awesome, huge body positive showcase of all of these amazing people that I've painted. I think that would be so awesome. So that's like a dream down the road for the future. I have a lot more, but I don't want to sit and ramble on about all of them. But that's probably like one of my biggest ones. Give us the lowdown on your love life or whatever you're comfy with, that is. Love life. Currently single, have been forever. Open to dating, just not there. I don't know what else I can say about my love life. I'm super picky, but in the best way. So, how long have you been an artist? So, I have been making things and painting and creating since I was literally a child. My mom is a huge crafty person. She does a lot of like cross stitch and sewing and like card making and that kind of stuff. So I grew up, we literally had a room in our house that we referred to as the craft room, which is like a bunch of cabinets, a super old table that we would just like make things at. I learned how to sew. I did like perler bead crafts, like all of the things. And I went to like arts camps as a kid and I took a bunch of like watch me draw, drawing classes, like all this stuff. And then I wanted to go to school for art and I was told that that's not really the best career to go into. But I did end up going to school for graphic design and I did have to take some basic drawing classes, some basic painting classes. And so I kind of reignited my love for art that way. And then during the 2020 pandemic, I started drawing literally all the time. And that's where I really started to blossom as an artist and like find my purpose as an artist. So, long answer short, I have been an artist my entire life, but I never really considered myself an artist until about 2 years ago. Are you a Christian? Yes, I am. When do you get dressed? What ergo makes you the happiest? Your style is cool. So I think the question is just like what goes through my head when I am getting dressed and styling myself. For many years, I was like very embarrassed to wear whatever I thought was cool, and I got bullied a lot when I was in like middle school and high school for like wearing things that were different than what everyone else wore and wearing things that were colorful and like whatever. So I kind of just never did when I was younger, and so now I'm a full blown adult and I love who I am. So I just wear whatever makes me happy. Like this pink jumpsuit makes me happy. My giant yarn tassel earrings, they make me happy. So I wear it, I embrace it, and other people love it as well. They like the confidence that comes with it, and I like the confidence that comes with it. So I just kind of wear whatever I want, and I think it's cool too. So thanks. Gorgeous picture. Are you making any trips to visit your fans overseas? First of all, thank you very much. I don't have any plans to visit any fans anywhere as of now. But I do like to travel a lot, so you never know. I might end up in some place, but as of right now, no plans. But I think I'm gonna maybe host some kind of virtual events in the future, maybe to start, but we'll see. What is your favorite post? Okay, so one of my favorite TikToks is the middle finger TikTok. And if you want to hear the whole story behind the middle finger TikTok and everything that goes with that, you can check it out my video on it here. It's a pretty awesome story. I also really like my first ever Scribble Lady post on TikTok because that kind of helped me figure out like my mission as an artist. And I actually genuinely don't know, that might have been removed from TikTok by now, but I'll also have that one in the middle finger story. So if you watch the middle finger video, you'll see that one too. Has anyone ever made fun of you? Yes. I kind of mentioned this a little bit earlier, but I got made fun of for being like different when I was younger. And looking back on it, it's kind of a bummer because like being different and being unique is like what makes you so special and so you. And like now I embrace that I'm really weird and very different, and that's okay. I think that's awesome and it gives you your personality, and I think it's a really thing you should be something words hard. I think it's something you should be really proud of. So this comment says, I'm a lefty and this looks like I might be able to use it. So this is in regards to my glass dip pen. And I get this comment, this question a lot. Is it lefty friendly? The answer is yes. The way my glass dip pen works is The ink is wet when you draw. So as a right-handed person, you can't actually rest your hand on the paper. So it's the same when you're left-handed. You can't rest your hand on the paper. So it works super well with lefties or righties. Was there ever a fail or do they always come out good? So this is in regards to my drawings and my TikToks. I have literally a whole box of failed paintings. Like sometimes I'll start recording my TikTok and it'll just turn out so bad that I just start over. I don't have like sketchbooks where I sketch things first and then draw them. Sometimes I do, but for the most part I just like go straight into filming it, and if it doesn't turn out good, then I start over. But I always finish my drawings before starting them over. So I have a bunch of finished failed drawings. But I like to give it the benefit of the doubt and try and finish it and try and make it look better, because as far as the art of imperfection goes, you can't mess up enough. Like just keep messing up, keep working through it, and then like if you still don't like the finished piece, that's when I give up and that's when I start over. So yes, I do have a whole box of failed art pieces. How do you stay positive in life? That is a deep question, and I think that there's a whole lot to staying positive in life. But in regards to art, whenever I am sad or gloomy, I turn to art, and I make some artwork that makes me happy, so that it can lift up my mood. I also think drawing with a glass pen is like super therapeutic. So the fact that I draw all the time, it keeps me in a little bit more of a mellow mood. And also, the art of imperfection is so not stressful because you don't have to be perfect when you're drawing. So it also makes it a very therapeutic thing that helps lift my spirits. What's your favorite thing to do in your free time? My favorite thing to do in my free time is pole dance. And it's not what it sounds like. I'm not a stripper, but also like I'm very sex positive, pro sex work, so like that's not the point. But I competitively pole dance and I also performatively pole dance. So I train all the time. I have some really awesome ladies at a pole dancing studio near me, and we get together literally like every night of the week. I go to so many classes. It's an amazing strength exercise, and it really has helped me like love myself and like be really proud of like what I've accomplished in the pole dancing world and all of the strength things that I can do. So yeah, that's like my hobby besides art. Well, that's all I have for the Q&A video. I hope you enjoyed it and learned some things about me. Ask more questions in the comments. I would love to do another Q&A video if I have enough questions. So definitely go ahead and do that. And also, don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel, like this video, and I'll see you in the next video.